Okay, YouTube, I lied. I didn't hang it up. I kept on working on it. I redesigned it a bit. Now I have wider tires, wider rubber bands on it. I might, pushing forward after this video, I might make attach a thicker rubber band onto here, because now it's actually getting traction. And where I'm running short on is the length of the rubber band that powers it, because it only powers it for a little bit. But I was designing this to be like a dragster, rubber band powered dragster, I suppose. Honestly, I don't even know if that weight on the bottom is even necessary anymore. Maybe I'll take that off later, see how it does without it. But yeah, let me wind it up for you. Set it on the ground, and I'll try to get a shot of it running across the kitchen floor. Let's see. This is always a lot of fun trying to hook this thing up. It's really not that difficult after you get a little practice in, but alright. So this thing had recently, the hub, the actual pulley. On the video I thought I had released, it didn't, but on some test after the video was recorded, it did release, and I drilled a hole to the shaft and pumped some super glue down in there, hoping that that would help hold it. So far it seems to be helping, but I really don't want to push my luck. Seems like when I get this rubber band back around to the axle, that's about as far as I should go. Maybe a little bit, maybe one or two turns of the rubber band on the axle, or the, you know what? Oh man, alright, that's all I'm going to do. That's all I'm going to do for y'all. I have one of my other projects being used as a stand. Alright. So let me set it up so you can see the car run, and then hopefully you can get a pretty good video of it, pretty good shot of it going past you. Fairly fast. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, here we go. Did alright. It probably started coasting right about where the camera was. Then it ran all the way over here. You know what? Let's do another video. Granddad is old man fashion style. I'm trying to hit the camera. If I don't, that's alright. I ain't gonna try to steal all Granddad is an old man's idea. This is, you know, we're just having fun. You know, if this does alright, I might take the weight off of it and see what kind of acceleration it has with the weight off of it. Because that half-inch bolt actually weighs quite a bit compared to the rest of the car. So it might take off a lot faster than what it's been doing with that weight removed, if I can maintain getting traction. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, I got stuck. You see that? Dang. It doesn't usually happen a lot. I think that's maybe the second time it's happened to me. It didn't fall off the peg on the hub. That was some rapid deceleration. Spun that thing right around. That was pretty funny. Alright, let's give this another shot. I'm not trying to make this a 20-minute video. Doesn't need to be 20 minutes. Let's see. Come on, baby. Do alright. Damn. It keeps on getting stuck. So yeah, I guess right around here is where it usually comes off. I don't know why it's not wanting to come off. No, it's something I'm doing wrong. Granddad is an old man. He probably has an excellent explanation as to why it's doing what it's doing. He definitely messes around with these things a lot more than I do. Maybe the string will just get bound up on itself. I don't know. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know, but I don't like it. Come on, release. Alright, I got you all the way across the kitchen. One more thing, I guess, in front of y'all. Might as well try to do the ruthless thing of ripping this from the undercarriage, this weight. I don't even know if it's necessary anymore. It's just held on by super glue, so it shouldn't be too terrible. I mean, it's PLA onto metal. But then again, the texture of that metal really influences whether or not it adheres, right? Come on, get out of there. Alright, this is a bigger problem than I thought it was going to be. Oh, there's one side. Come for you, baby. Without breaking the whole thing. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Jesus. There it goes. Alright. Now, I'll be hugely surprised if this thing doesn't just wheel spin all the way to the phone. Because now it is probably a third of its weight. If it does have any traction, that'll be great. If it doesn't, well, you know, that's almost to be expected. But I won't know until I try. So, wind it up. Give her another go. I don't know how much I should wind it up. I'm just going to wind it up so the rubber band gets to the pulley, but not around the pulley on the rear axle. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, right. That did all right. It's quite a bit faster now. With less winds. Less winds and faster. All right. I think that was a success. Good old-fashioned fashion of my fashion. It's not really old-fashioned, but it's I'm going to push limits. This time, I'm going to get the rubber band around that rear pulley. Wrap it around twice. Wrap it around twice. Just like when we had the bolt on it. But this time, we ain't got no bolt on it. And it doesn't seem to be wheel spinning. It didn't seem to wheel spin that time. Wouldn't it be great if I got a wheelie? I think I'm asking too much. I don't know. No wheelie, but maybe faster. Wheelie! It wheelie. Alright, so two rubber bands is, two pulls around that pulley is excessive. Maybe I could add some spoilers. You know, a spoiler to the front to keep the nose down. Won't want to wheelie as much. And it'll add a little bit of nose to the front, a little bit of weight to the front as well, which also helps it not wheelie as much. Let's try one wrap around, maybe or a half a wrap around. Yeah, let's do a half a wrap around of the rear pulley. Maybe the front wheels will stay on the ground this time. Yeah, all right. Well, that concludes the video, YouTube. I thought it was a major failure, but I turned it around, made it a little bit better. Well, as always, thanks for watching. I don't know if any of y'all will be interested in downloading this. I've seen where you can upload your Tinkercad links. Let me know. Let me know if anyone out there wants to print this. I can upload it. It's constructed using some metal pins and just PLA, really. I mean, yeah. Have a good day.